So let's have a look at the GDXJ and GDX in today's video. We're going to be looking at these because we could be getting ready for some serious moves. And what we've been experiencing right here, are we about to see a bit of a turnaround period come around? Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. So what's been happening here for the last sort of couple of months has been pretty much, pretty much on a downward sort of spiral. Not much going on. We had a little bit of a rise through here, and then we had a drop down through to here. You can see it actually bounced at the bottom of this channel right now, but we're still in this overall downward movement through here. So there's not really much going on when it comes to this daily chart. One thing I would want to start to see is that you can see how we have this major support level all through here around that 52 period. There was a support, and we just broke below the support. One thing I'll be very interested to see is that is this a bit of a false breakdown? Meaning, is this where the market breaks down? Then we start to do that, and then we get back above it. If we do that, then this could be the start of something like that, and then obviously a lot more upside to come out of GDXJ. So when we are looking at the GDXJ right now, we can see what's going on through there, and within the weekly chart, you can see how this is just a very nice strong move up, and we're getting just a very nice pullback through here. Now, unfortunately, we never know how long these pullbacks are going to last for, but this is a pullback in a big bull market. We are not changing trend overall. We may be on a short-term basis, but we're not changing trend just yet. And to me, this move up and then a move down, to me, we're likely to start to see that, or should I say, that's what I would want to see on the GDXJ, which is a hold here and a start to break it back above this 52 to tell me that, you know what, this could be the last sort of final drop in the markets before we start to see a very nice move to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing on the GDXJ. Let's go have a look at the GDX. And the GDX is something very similar as well too, right? We're in this big downward channel through here. We've had this move all the way down. We're at the bottom of this support level. So what's likely to come through out of this here? Well, firstly, and once again, I do see that there's a lot of support around this whole major level, this whole level through here, which is that 37 level, I would say. Maybe, yeah, it's probably around that 37 level. Is that support level there. So I want to start to see if this downward movement here, which is a pullback in the in the GDX, if this is going to end, which is, by the way, this is the weekly chart, the pullback is just a nice healthy pullback in this big bull market. Ultimately, we're likely to start to see something like that. But if we're trying to see when is that turning point likely to happen, then we can go back to the daily chart and we can start to see this thing hold here. And if we do start to rally back above $37, that could be the key for us to say, you know what, things are starting to look up. And especially if we can get some extra confirmation behind us, and if it starts to do something like this and we start to break above 40, that would say, yes, this is a bit of a final low before we actually start to make a move up above 46 again, which was the previous high up here. So ultimately, guys, is this going to be some sort of a false breakdown? People obviously getting stopped out of their longs right now. People going short right now as well too. Is it going to create that? We have to wait and see. But if it does start to create that, guys, there's a high probability we're now likely to we will see a turnaround pattern. And then, yes, we're probably likely to start to see this thing go for another big move like we did at the start of this year. Traders, before you go, make sure you head on down to johnsflashsale.com because I'm running a flash sale to my entire Master Trader Lab. You'll learn the most powerful system strategies and trading investing techniques that will help you make more progress towards your trading goals in the next 6 months than you have in the last 6 years. I promise you that. So here's what you're going to learn in this course. The one big thing you must know, every single trader must know, how to create a fearless trading psychology, how my mentor made $2 million, the simple but powerful trading techniques that every trader must know, the top 30 mistakes, chart reading master course, about 10 videos here, the advanced chart reading master course, about another 4 or 5 videos there, the one powerful chart pattern that has been working since the 1950s, blast off trading system, ultimate trading system, powerful trading system, the most powerful and successful option trading system, the most explosive and powerful chart pattern, The difference between trading and investing, my 226% return investing trade that I did there, and so much more. There's over 10 hours worth of content, and I'm giving you a money back guarantee. So go to johnsflashstyle.com right now, because I'm only running this for a very short period of time, then it's over. So go to johnsflashstyle.com and I'll see you real soon.